Hey, so this video is about how to install a backsplash. I filmed this video several months ago, but I really like how the backsplash turned out, and there are a few good tips in there that might help you out with your project. So here it is, we're starting out with the tile. So that I have the right dimensions on the wall, I laid out the tile with the spacers. And I'm putting a primer on the wall. It's actually a really good idea to put a primer on the wall. It makes it so that the thin set will adhere to the walls really well. Let me show you what it is. It is called Eco Prime Grip. So that's the start. I'll show you the next step once we start installing the tiles. So this stuff you just roll on. It's runny though, so don't get your brush too full or your roller too full because you're not going to be happy. But it'll definitely make a difference. You want to make sure your tile, especially if you're using a heavier tile or maybe using a travertine. So it's smaller. We're going to try and make it look like brick, but it's still a heavy tile. So we're going to be using the Ultra Flex for a heavier tile, and then we're using this just to make sure the thin set attaches really well. Okay, so we're starting the tile. This is going to be a brick lay pattern, and right now, just so you know, we're using 3/8 inch, so 3/8 inch spacers because we want to make it look like it's bricks, rather than when it's really skinny, it won't really look like bricks. So I just started the first row, and then once I get a few more rows in, I'll show you how that looks. Now you got to take into account when you're doing your cuts that you account for the spacer. Otherwise, when you cut your tile, it's not going to be right in the middle. So you put your tile, put your spacer, you put your tile, and then you got your space for the other tile on the other side. So very important. Fortunately, on a backsplash, we're working with a level top, so that makes it a lot easier. But still, if you didn't have a level top, then you would want to draw a line on your wall so that you know where your level is, or you could use a laser level, but got lucky today. So I hope you liked that video, and I hope it was able to help you with your backsplash in your home. My goal is to bring you better quality videos with more tips that you can use to improve your project. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit your notifications button. That's all for now. Thanks a lot.